Good morning and welcome to all BSc third year students of Fishery Science in online lecture series of semester 6th, paper number 15, Fish Economics, Fish Marketing, Fish Cooperatives and Extension. In this paper 15, we have completed 2 units. First unit fishery economics and second unit fish marketing. Then we have seen the third unit, study of fish cooperative society in India. Study of fish cooperative society in India. In these third unit, third point which is to be we have seen, and that third point is the organs of cooperative. Cooperative society, these are to be formed. Cooperative society, these are to be developed. And to formation of these cooperative society, which organs, which part these are to be constitute to develop to form the cooperative society. In these organs of cooperative society, the first part, that is the president, those are members which is highest or final authority in cooperative society, that is the president, and these are to be preside over the meeting of cooperative society, hence it is called as the president. In last period we have studied number of definitions and number of duties of these president, how the president these are to be elected, how these are to be nominated on a cooperative society, that is either unanimously or unilaterally. These members of cooperative society, these are to be decided, and they can be choose a member which is to be perform at a president, or those member which is to be knowledgeable, brilliant, then taking that is decision of power, then dashing, all such persons which is to be found, that person these are to be choose as a member of president, which is to be collectively cooperate and collaborate all members and develop the cooperative society in future time, in future period. That member is to be elected or chosen as a president, and this president these are to be important organs of a cooperative society. It is the first organ. Last period we have studied. The president is tasked with providing strong leadership for the cooperative society. The president is tasked with providing strong leadership for the cooperative society by working with the board of directors and other executive. These are to be working with board of directors, it is to be working with other executives to establish short and long term goals, to develop short term goals, to develop long term goals, then to study and to working these executive bodies, board of director, for about budgets of cooperative society. It is to be plan the cooperative society and those strategies which is to be performed to smoothly and very well going the cooperative society. All these plans and strategies, it can be fixed, it can be chosen, and it can be well running by the member, that is the president. That's why the president is tasked with providing strong leadership for the cooperative society by working with the board of director and other executive bodies to establish short and long term goals, for developing budgets, providing budgets, then future plans of the cooperative society and strategies of the cooperative society. This position is responsible for the overall success of the cooperative society or company, that is president. This president is to be responsible This position is to be responsible for all overall success of the cooperative society or any company president, it is to be responsible. President, as the name suggests, is the person. President, as the name suggests, is the person who presides over an organization. He is the senior most officer of the organization after CEO. CEO, that is Chief Executive Officer. Chief Executive Officer, it is the final and most important authority. This CEO is the superior, who is the head of the branch or division of the company, division of the cooperative society, he is the senior most officer of the organization after CEO. This president, who is the head of the branch or division of the company, cooperative society, he is responsible for looking after the day-to-day business. This president is to be responsible for looking after the day-to-day business operations and logistic and proper implementation of the organization policies as per the directions of the top level executives. Means this president, these are the responsible for looking after the day-to-day business operations and logistic and proper implementation of the organizations policies as per the directions of the top level executives. Further, depending on the size and nature of the organization, the job responsibilities of the president may be differ. Job responsibilities of the president, these are to be differ, these are to be variable from company to company, from cooperative society to cooperative society. The president leads, guides, president leads to all members. Leading role is to be performed by the president. That's why president is the leader of cooperative society. President is the leader of cooperative society. It leads, maximum leading role, these are to be played by the president. Then president guides those members which are the members of the cooperative society. All these members, these are to be guided from the president time to time, or when it is to be required to guide the members, the president will be guide. President directs and motivate the vice president, managers and other executive of the organization. Means not only the president is the leader, not only it is to be guide, but it directs and motivate. President directs and motivate the vice president. President directs and motivate the other executives, other employees of the organization to stimulate all these employees, to encourage all these employees. Means these president, it can be direct the idea, it can be direct the way, as well as it can be motivate the these vice president, managers, executives of the organization. That's why the president, these are to be leader, these are to be dashing, brilliant and taking power of, that is the encouragement. Such person, it can be choose as a president. He is also responsible for the development. He is also responsible for the development and implementation of the strategies. This president is to be responsible for the development of cooperative society. President, these are to be responsible for the implementation of the strategies or the rules and regulations. Rules and regulation which is to be followed, which is to be passed by laws. These rules, regulation and strategies, these are to be implementation which is to be done by the president. Maintaining the cooperative society overall performance. Overall performance, these are to be maintained by the cooperative society with the help of the president. He can also present recommendations to the board of directors. Means not only these are to be maintaining cooperative society overall, not only it is to be responsible for development or implementation of strategies, for leadership, for guidance, for directions or motivation, but president also responsible. It is also give some recommendation, new changes, new recommendation to the board of directors in the meeting of board of directors. Number of recommendations, those are to be recommended by president. These recommendations, these are to be thought, some discussion, these are to be done on these recommendations, and those are to be positive, those are to be beneficial to the cooperative society, those are to be easily going on working, these are to be chosen, these are to be worked by the cooperative society. For that purpose, President can also present recommendations to the Board of Directors. President is the highest and final power authority of the cooperative society. President is the highest and final power authority of the cooperative society. The President is the chairperson of the cooperative society as well as chairperson of all management committee and frequently the only paid officer in the society. President is the chairperson of the cooperative society. President is to be act as a chairperson of all management committee, that may be board of director, that may be control committee, that may be purchase committee, sale committee, equipment committee, repairing committee. Those committees, these are to be developed, these are to be formed in cooperative society. All these members is the president, and that's why these president, these are to be as a chairperson of all the management committee and frequently the only paid officer in the society. This president is to be paid, society is to be paid some amount to working this president for 24 hours with respect to cooperative society. The president gives 24 hours a day devotion. The president gives 24 hours a day devotion to the cooperatives is required of the person who plays this role as well as responsibility for all its operation. This principle, these are to be plays the role and it can be done 24 hours as well as it is the responsibility of its operations of the president. The president initiates and presides. The president initiates and presides over the meeting of the management committee and prepares the agenda of the meeting. President, it can be presides over the management committee. President, these are to be initiate and these are to be preside over these meeting as well as president, these are to be prepare the agenda of the meeting. President, it is directly involved in the personal problems of members of the cooperative society. Those members which have problems, those members which have difficulties, these problems, these are to be solved directly involving by the president, and hence president is to be directly involved and touch to every member for their different problems, different difficulties. It represents the cooperatives in other forms. President is to be represent the cooperatives in other forums, other institutions and government bodies also. Sometimes these president, it is also act as a member of cooperative society themselves, but it is also act as a member of other forums, member of institutions and member of government body which is to be situated, the government body which is to be developed by government to discover and to define and to point out different back points, different that is lacunas to these committees. This president, these are to be act as a member. This is mostly educated and brilliant person. President is mostly educated and brilliant person. Fair members were elected. Those are brilliant, those are well educated, those are controlled all their activity. Such member can be elected as a president. Every 3 or 5 years, president will be elected or nominated according to the by laws of cooperative society. Means in cooperative society we can put forth a law. Every 3 years president will be changed or every 5 years president will be changed depending upon the bylaws, depending upon the provision of the cooperative society. Every 3 or 5 years president will be elected or it can be nominated. Means it can be changed. President preside various meetings of the cooperative society. When meeting these are to be held in the cooperative society, to these meeting president, these are to be presides over all these meetings of the cooperative society, and judgment these are to be taken, preside over these are to be given, direction these are to be done by the president. President play a very important role in the cooperative society. President play a very important role in the cooperative society. President various work according to the bylaws of society. President various work according to the bylaws of society. The powers of the president vary widely across organization. The power of this president is to be very widely according to the across the organization. In some organization, the president has the authority to hire staff and make financial decisions, while in others, the president only make recommendations to a board of directors, and still others, the president has no executive powers and it is mainly a spokesperson for the organization. In some places, in some organization, काही सोसायटीमध्ये प्रेसिडेंट हा फायनल अथॉरिटी असतो, फायनान्शियल अथॉरिटी असतो. काही कोऑपरेटिव्ह सोसायटीमध्ये फक्त प्रेसिडेंट रिकमेंडेशन करू शकतो, फक्त तो माहिती पुरवू शकतो, मग तो सल्ला देऊ शकतो बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टरला अबाउट द पेमेंट, अबाउट द अमाऊंट और अबाउट द एनीथिंग. प्रेसिडेंट ओनली मेक्स रिकमेंडेशन टू द बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर. And some societies, some cooperative societies, president is to be no power of financial, only it is the spokesperson, फक्त तो बोलता रागू किंवा बोलता माणूस. There is no any authority, there is no any duties or a power of working in cooperative society. The amount of power given to the president depends upon the type of organization. The amount of power given to the president depends upon the type of organization. It is organization, its structure and the rules in the it has been created for the itself. Those rules, regulation which is to be developed by laws, those organization which is to be developed according to the depends upon the type of organization, its structure and rules and regulation. This president, these are to be a amount of power. In addition to administrative or executive duties in organizations, a president has the duty of presiding over meetings. Such duties at meeting include number of meetings, these are to be included, number of meeting committees, these are to be developed. To these committees, this president, these are to be act as administrative or executive duties in organization. A president has duties of presiding over meetings. Such meetings are calling the meeting to order. Second type of determining if a quorum is present or not present. Quorum is not present, then second meeting is to be recalled, or when quorum is to be completed, meeting is to be not recalled. Means determining if quorum is present or not present. Third, announcing the items on the order of business or agenda as by the come up. जो काय agenda येईल, जो काय agenda असेल, according to these agenda, announcing is to be done, announcing is to be performed by the president. Fourth, recognition of members to have the floor. Those members which is to present in these floor, some members it can be recognition, it can be added, it can be done by president. Then fourth or fifth, enforcing the rules of the group, enforcing the rules and regulation of the cooperative society. सगळे कोऑपरेटिव्ह सोसायटीचे रूल्स रेग्युलेशन लागू करणे, वर्किंग करणे. पुटिंग ऑल क्वेश्चन्स motions to a vote. Those are the questions, those are the points, these are to be putting on a questions to a vote. Adjourning the meeting. While presiding, a president remains impartial and does not interrupt speakers if a speaker has the floor and it is following the rules of the group. Means the president, these are to be present on the chair of president. These president, these are to be remains impartial. Impartial, partiality केली नाही पाहिजे. It is to be stable and does not interrupt speaker. स्पीकरला बोलणाऱ्याला त्यांनी काही बोललं नाही पाहिजे. Does not interrupt speaker if a speaker has the floor and is following the rules of the groups. In committees or small boards, in committees or small boards, the president votes along with the other members. Those are the committees and small boards. The president itself can give a voting power and it can vote along with the other members. However, in assemblies or larger boards, the president should vote only when it can be affect the result. When, however, in assemblies, in larger boards, larger meeting, the president should vote. The president should vote only when it can affect the result. When it can affect the result, at that time it can be voting. When some adverse condition these are to be occur, some problematic situation these are to be occur, at that time president it can give its votes and it can save the cooperative society. At a meeting, the president only has one vote, that is, the president cannot vote twice and cannot override the decision of the group unless the organization has specially given the president such authority. What is the important point? At the meeting, the president only has one vote, that is, the president cannot vote twice, cannot override the decision of the group unless the organization has specifically given the president such authority. जोपर्यंत कोऑपरेटिव्ह सोसायटी तुम्हाला अथॉरिटी देत नाही, जोपर्यंत कोऑपरेटिव्ह सोसायटी तुम्हाला ऑथराइज करत नाही, तोपर्यंत प्रेसिडेंट कॅन गिव्ह ओनली वन वोट. इट इज नॉट अदर टाइप ऑफ वोटिंग. With this, we have seen the different responsibilities of president of cooperative society. Means president is the financier, president is the final authority and topmost authority in the cooperative society, and that's why it is most brilliant, most powerful, thinking, dashing, and take a power of decision and implementation of all the rules and regulation. It is to be done by these president. That's why it is to be important, it is to be most useful. Hope you understood. In next part we have see the next duties of the president. Thank you all of you.